Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on night mode in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on night mode in Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox app guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and when this panel appears, tap on the settings button over here. Tap on the settings button, and over here you can see the night mode. Currently my night mode is turned off. In order to turn your night mode on guys, tap on a toggle icon at the right side of the night mode, and suddenly it will go on the night mode like this. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn on night mode in Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.